In today's video we are going to discuss the best natural remedies to get rid of acne. How many of you assumed you'd used up your last jar of face cleaning pads or tube of zit cream? How many of us believed we knew how to get rid of acne when we were teenagers? Raise his hand if you're anything like me, you thought your acne days were over. And yet, here we are, peering into the mirror on a Sunday morning, to find yet another ugly blemish has sprouted overnight, just in time for a brunch with your girlfriends. Acne is a genetic disorder, therefore you might be more prone to it than others. With a little patience, you may get rid of acne by following these simple tips that can help you in combating this irritating and often painful condition. Best ways to get rid of acne. Check your oil application intake. Check what you're putting on your skin to see if it's causing your acne. Because oil buildup on the skin is one of the leading causes of non-genetic acne, you'll want to avoid getting any form of oil on your skin by switching to oil-free products. Look for oil-free cosmetics and hair products. Avoiding topical application of oils, such as mechanical oils and greases, as well as cooking oils, can also help you get rid of acne. If you work in an area where oils are used frequently, it's unlikely that you've given it much attention. Even eating oily meals, such as French fries, and then touching your face can make getting rid of acne more difficult. Switch to an oil-free cleanser. Many acne cleansing solutions claim to remove debris and oils from your skin while gently exfoliating it. You shouldn't need these products to get rid of acne if you prevent direct contact with oils and greases. They can irritate your skin, harm your sebaceous glands, and lead to even severe acne breakouts over time. These products cause your sebaceous glands to create excessive amounts of oil in order to protect your skin from becoming too dry, cracked, or clean. Acne can be treated in a more gentle and effective manner. Clean only the surface of your skin. It is not necessary to remove all of the oils from deep within the pores. You can get rid of acne by using a gentle cleanser or makeup removing wipes on a daily basis, at least, to remove the oils from makeup and lotions and prevent them from building up and blocking the pores. Be patient if you've been using a facial scrub. It's possible that you won't get the results you want straight soon. When your body is out of whack, it takes time to restore balance. Don't pop zits. I'm about to get a little gross. Yes, I am aware. Don't act like you haven't looked in the mirror at the red beacon blazing back at you and squeezed it until it popped, despite your better judgment and all the acne advice you've read. The issue with attempting to eliminate acne in this manner is that it does not work. 1. Your fingers are coated in oils and microorganisms. 2. You risk injuring the pore and sebaceous gland, resulting in an affected pimple or, worse, an infected pimple. If you can't help yourself, at the very least wash your hands before and after the deed. Blackheads are a little more difficult to pop, so they're less appealing to handle. Those whiteheads, on the other hand, are so easy to pop that it's difficult not to. We are aware of the situation. Use acne lotion. Purchase some acne cream. Getting a professional assessment and a dermatologist's recommendation for a decent lotion is always a smart idea. These lotions differ from soaps in that they're made to break down oils, kill germs that cause inflamed acne spots, and encourage the shedding of dead skin cells, the other primary cause of acne. Acne-fighting lotions with active components like sulfur, resorcinol, or salicylic acid are advised. Seek professional assistance. To decrease infections, open up clogged pores, and slough off dead skin, a dermatologist can use prescription-strength topical treatments such as retinoids and antimicrobials. In certain situations, the infection is so severe that oral antibiotics are required to clear the acne. There are alternative things to consider if you aren't ready to schedule an appointment. Best natural remedies for acne. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is a fantastic choice, especially if you want to maintain your skin's health. It will kill bacteria and aid in the treatment of minor acne. It functions as a disinfectant since it is antibacterial. Low-carb diet. A low-carb diet can help your skin seem younger. A lot of the food we eat these days is highly processed and high in bad carbohydrates. It may enhance your skin's health if you eliminate a lot of the junk from your diet. It's also better for you overall. The link between skin health and carb reduction has been discovered by Australian researchers. It's a scientific fact. Black currant seed oil. The combination of antioxidants and delectable fatty acids in black currant seed oil is said to aid in the treatment of acne. However, you should see a doctor because the dosage usually needs to be stretched out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe to get updates on new videos.